Namaste. As I'm walking into the hospital today, I feel very satisfied seeing my doctors, my nurses, and the support staff. The 80,000 Apollo family who also had, this hesitation, that panic which was created by COVID-19, are today made the hospital safe, and every protocol and process made it infection-free, that they could be safe, and all the patients that come into Apollo Hospital will get good health care without fear of the infection COVID-19.
In March 2020, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital started taking patients of COVID-19. These were very difficult times. When we started this, we had a lot of challenges. We formed the task force to deal with all the challenges. The management and the doctor both worked as a team and they were very successful. The more drugs were introduced, some of them effective, some of them not effective. And then we also introduced the plasma quite early in April 2020. We gave first patient, and then almost 200 patients have been given plasma in this hospital. We had really lot of difficulties. Even today for last 6 months, I have not been able to touch or meet my mother because I want to be away and I want to protect them. These are really very difficult times. I had to stay back 2-3 times because of the sick patients in the ICU. But in the Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, the management, the doctors, everybody is working as a team to face these challenges and win it.
As a mother, as a female, I would like to tell you, when you run the house and you go back home, you have to ensure that the food is cooked, you have to ensure that your child has been fed, and you have to ensure that your family is, well maintained. It's only then that you can concentrate on the work here. We worked, as I can say, everybody in the hospital, right from my security guard to the topmost person, had worked in the house as a maid, as a caretaker, ensuring that everybody is well taken care at home. Then they would report to their duties. And after coming here, you would ensure that you're taking care of yourself and you will take care of the patient.
जब मैंने पहली बारी कोविड स्टार्ट किया था, इज इट वेरी टफ एंड वेरी सफोकेटिंग जब मैं पीपीई में वर्क करती थी. बट जब हमने पेशेंट को देखा, जब पेशेंट की तकलीफ देखी, तो वो चीज़ हमें इफेक्ट करा. दे इमोशनली डिस्टर्ब. हमारा सारा सफोकेशन, सारा टेंशन सब डिसॉल्व हो गया व्हेन वी सी द पेशेंट.
We have even worked through intense long stretches involving till about 96 hours also at times, and even after work, going back home is not sometimes even acceptable, or it is a very challenging task because one is also concerned for one's safety of the family, your relatives, your friends. So even at home, it's emotionally tiring at times when you can't meet your loved ones. You have to stay away in isolation. So the whole efforts are exhausting, physically as well as emotionally.
अपोलो के पूरे स्टाफ ने मेरी वाइफ का टेक केयर किया. सारे प्रिकॉशंस के साथ जितना भी पूरा स्टाफ था सब पीपीई किट से लैस था. सैनिटाइजर्स की प्रॉपर्ली वो सैनिटाइज करते थे हर डेस्क को, बेड्स को, अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को. और रात भर इमरजेंसी में रखने के बाद मेरी वाइफ का ऑपरेशन भी बहुत अच्छे से यहाँ हुआ, पूरी सावधानियों के साथ. किसी भी प्रकार से कोई कोताही नहीं बरती गई है. तो बस मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि किसी भी प्रकार से कोई भी आपके साथ अगर कोई मेडिकल इमरजेंसी होती है किसी भी प्रकार की, तो आप हॉस्पिटल आने से घबराएं नहीं.
डॉक्टर कुलदीप सिंह ने कहा कि यहाँ पे अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में आप यहाँ आजिए बिना डरे, हम आपका यहाँ टेस्ट कराएंगे पहले कोरोना का। ट्यूसडे को मेरा कोरोना का टेस्ट हुआ था जो नेगेटिव था, और उसके बाद पूरा मेरा इलाज डॉक्टर खरबंदा, डॉक्टर KN सिंह, डॉक्टर बत्रा और डॉक्टर दुआ ने किया, जिन्होंने मेरी शुगर भी कंट्रोल करी और डॉक्टर खरबंदा ने इसमें प्लेटिंग करी, और मैं कुछ ही दिनों में वापस अपने घर जाने वाला हूँ। और मैं इस बात से बहुत खुश हूँ कि अपोलो की टीम बहुत अच्छी है, एफिशिएंट है और बहुत मिलनसार है।
About 2 days ago, I developed an intense stomach pain and I passed some blood in my stools. When I met with my on-campus doctor, he said that we need to run some tests and we didn't have those facilities on campus. I was completely at a loss. It was the middle of the night in the middle of nowhere and I didn't have anyone to turn to. That was until I remembered Apollo Hospital's emergency number, 1066. The ambulance was here in less than an hour, and as soon as I met with the doctors, my treatment began. They ran a drip in my arm, and by the time we reached the hospital, there was a bed waiting for me, and all the doctors and nurses were prepared to attend to me.
हम 1 तारीख को आए और सैंपल दिया हम लोगों ने। सैंपल दे के हम लोग वापस नहीं गए, यहीं रहे, और शाम तक हमको लगा कि पिछली बार जैसे नेगेटिव हुआ होगा इस बार भी हो जाएगा। शाम तक हमें पता लगा कि पॉजिटिव पाए गए। 87 साल की उम्र एक बहुत ही वो है, मुझे पता नहीं, यहाँ शायद सबसे ज़्यादा उम्र के लोगों में शायद उनका भी नाम आएगा। कोविड को लेके चिंता नहीं थी। We thought we were in safe hands because we were at Apollo, one of the best hospitals here, and the staff and everything. I mean, I'm not saying because I'm sitting here. I'm saying that we've been trusting this. My father also had gone through a long time back through cancer. He was again treated here. He came out of it. This was 10-12 years back. So if you look at it, I don't think I would go anywhere else. Nurses are amazing, They are the invisible soldiers of the invisible enemy.
My thanks from my side, from my family and from my close friends to Dr. Guleria, to Apollo Hospital and all doctors, nurses, staff who worked for us and taken care of. I got a few lines which I coined during this time. यही है मंदिर, यही गुरुद्वारा, यही है मंदिर, यही गुरुद्वारा, रब ईसा को यही पुकारा, बनकर वैद अपोलो में यही किया उपचार हमारा। कोरोना की महामारी में हमको था विश्वास तुम्हारा, तन मन और परिश्रम से रोग मिटा दिया है सारा। लग रहा था जब अंधियारा, हमने आपने कर दिया उजियारा। जीवन भर न भूल सकेंगे ईश्वर का ये हाथ तुम्हारा। हर डॉक्टर सक्षम और ज्ञानी और कोमल थी सबकी वाणी, समझाते हमें इलाज हमारा, धैर्य देते और देते सहारा। हर सुविधा उपलब्ध यहाँ थी, हर सुविधा उपलब्ध यहाँ थी, हर सेवा हर वक्त यहाँ थी। जैसा हो व्यवहार सबका इतना प्यारा, जैसा हो परिवार हमारा। सिस्टर बिल्कुल साथ खड़ी थी, हर धड़कन पर नजर बनी थी। जब दुखता था पेट हमारा, हाथों से देती थी सहारा। हर काम का यहाँ तरीका, बातचीत का यहाँ सलीका। अच्छा यहाँ उपचार है सारा, यहाँ आता है संसार ही सारा।
कोविड से ठीक होने के बाद, ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद मैंने दोबारा अपना ड्यूटी ज्वाइन किया। इवन मैंने अपना प्लाज्मा भी डोनेट किया, ताकि प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने से पेशेंट और भी पेशेंट ठीक हो सके। अभी मैं वापस अपनी ड्यूटी ज्वाइन किया है मैंने, और अभी ज्वाइन करने के बाद मेरा यही उद्देश्य है कि मेरी हेल्प से मैं जो अपनी सेवा के द्वारा पेशेंट की हेल्प कर पाऊँ, पेशेंट को ठीक कर पाऊँ।
Please stay safe, people, because the immense pleasure that I got from seeing my patients getting discharged so happily, waving goodbye at us, it was a really good pleasure and it was a really good experience for me. So all I want to say is, in this situation, please don't leave hands. You have to support one another, and we can all overcome this.
In this context, doctors from the Apollo Hospital have really done a marvelous job and they are working very hard. Salute to them.
I particularly would wish to thank the dedicated doctors team of Apollo for offering excellent service to my family and also working tirelessly to save and improve lives for all those who reach out to them in times of pain.